When Heat Press Nation launched the CraftPro Heat Press in 2018, it became a runaway success with the crafting community. The basic idea of its inception was this: what if we brought the best parts of our high-end machines into an affordable, compact one? Hi everyone, it's Jared here with Heat Press Nation, and I'll be giving you a look into what's new with the HPN CraftPro since it first launched, including a couple new additions that can add some nice flair to your workspace. As the CraftPro brings popular features like the slide-out lower platen, digital computer gauge, and robust heating element to a compact form factor with a low cost, these machines have allowed crafters to pursue their projects much more efficiently. Enough so to make room for them to begin turning their hobby into a business. Available in the clamshell style at both 13 by 9 inch and 15 by 15 inch sizes, HPN has recently included a 12 by 15 inch swing-away machine to the lineup. With these options available, the HPN CraftPro is ready for anyone's particular workspace. But what if size and heat press style isn't enough? As craft cutters are offered in a variety of colors, why shouldn't crafting heat presses do the same? So to accommodate, the HPN CraftPro is now available in mint and pink colors for both its clamshell and swing-away offerings of all sizes. These new colors allow the machines to match your cutter and workspace more closely, and are offered at no extra cost to the standard CraftPro. Your workspace should be a reflection of your creativity and personality, inspiring you to keep going with your talents and tools that allow your ideas to become a reality. By choosing an HPN CraftPro heat press of a particular size, style, and color, you'll not only be able to express yourself with the appearance, but by using it with your go-to heat transfers, whether it's heat transfer vinyl, paper, sublimation, or even plastisol transfers. Once you have an HPN CraftPro, you'll never want to go back to transferring with a home iron ever again. The new mint, pink, and standard CraftPro heat presses can be ordered now at heatpressnation.com. For any questions about these machines, you can get in touch with our My Expert representatives at support.heatpressnation.com. Once again, I'm Jared with Heat Press Nation. Thanks for watching, and keep on creating.